first things first, I gotta get these hours in. Because if I don't get these hours in, I can't have no fun. You work hard, you play harder. If you don't work, you don't eat. You started from scratch. No blueprint, no master plan. Just every day adding on, subtracting what's not needed, building. We here now, conscious. So that's where we at right now. We on our way to work. Knocked this last night off, and my whole schedule's gonna change, and everything's gonna be a little bit different. I just wanted to tap in with y'all. I filmed the dogs a little bit today, and I'll let y'all see what I filmed in the yard. And I'm just feeling really conscious right now because with so much stuff happening in life, you should be learning from it. You shouldn't be letting things just happen all around you and you're not getting anything out of it. It's something in most of the things that you see. Most of the things that you're around, it's lessons in that. But if you sleep, then you might miss the lesson. So you gotta be woke out here, and you gotta understand the things that's happening to you and the things that's happening around you, and take what you could take out of it to help benefit your life. Because we only got one life to live, and it's short. You know, you're born one day and you're gone another day. And a lot of people haven't even made it as far as you made it. So that's something to think about. And today is the first day of the rest of your life. So it's never too late to start all over and change some things or make some adjustments. You feel me? If it ain't running right, it's probably because you need an oil change. Give your life that oil change and watch your engine run a little better. You know, it's just time for adjustments. It's time for a little bit of detox, you know. It's time for some more exercise. It's time for a healthier diet. It's time for a whole lot of things. It's time for financial sacrifices. It's time for building us up and preparing for the future. Because ain't nobody gonna care about it, your future, if you don't care about it. You gotta care about your future. You gotta ask yourself, what am I doing? Where do I wanna be 5 years from now? So that's what I got for y'all. I'm right here pulling up on the job. I love y'all, and that's why I make these videos. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Hit that like, hit that share button, baby. You already know what it is. Peace.